Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin. We're having a rally in the altcoin market right now. Altcoins are pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. Jasmy is currently up 21.4% in the first week of 2023. How high can JasmyCoin go in this relief rally we're having right now in the altcoin market? Where will JasmyCoin face resistance as we're pumping to the upside? If the bottom is not in and we see JasmyCoin dumping to gobbling town, where are we going to find support if we start dropping to new all-time lows? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a peek at JasmyCoin's market cap, which currently sits around $196 million. We've seen JasmyCoin's market cap shoot up from the $16 million region, rallying up to the $196 million region. But guys, how low will JasmyCoin's market cap go when we start dumping to gobbling town? Is the bottom in right now? We'll also be taking a look at the JasmyCoin's market cap chart. JasmyCoin's market cap currently sits around $196 million. How high can JasmyCoin's market cap go in this relief rally? Can we see JasmyCoin's market cap blast through that $200 million region, pumping to higher prices? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The altcoin market is pumping to higher prices in 2023. We're seeing altcoins catch a bit to the upside. But let's not get carried away, guys. Altcoins are still dumping to gobbling town. If you go on a yearly time frame, we're seeing these altcoins lose so much value in 2022. JasmyCoin is currently down 94% in the last 1 year. But on the bright side, we've entered 2023 on a very bright note, and we've seen JasmyCoin pump on a monthly time frame and also on a weekly time frame. So how high can JasmyCoin go in this relief rally we're having in the altcoin market? Key levels to pay attention to for JasmyCoin as we're pumping to higher prices. First, the $0.0027 level where JasmyCoin seems to have bottomed in this bear market. If that proves to be the bottom and JasmyCoin continues pumping to higher prices, you want to pay close attention to what JasmyCoin will be doing around where we're currently trading right now, around the $0.0043 level. We saw JasmyCoin get rejected there on the 1st of December 2022, and we also caught a bounce off that level in October 2022. So I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin have some difficulties passing the $0.0042 level. If we're lucky and JasmyCoin continues rallying to higher prices in this relief rally, another key level you want to pay attention to is where we got rejected in November 2022 when we saw JasmyCoin rally up to the $0.0062 level. JasmyCoin might pump to higher prices in this relief rally, but guys, ultimately, we're going through a period of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. So even though we see JasmyCoin going sideways for majority of 2023, let's not get carried away. Let's not get disturbed. That's exactly what you expect in a bear market. Guys, for you to enjoy the pumps that will come in the next bull run, you have to be willing to invest deep down in the bear market. Right now, we've gone through the hardest part of the bear market where we see altcoins dumping to gobbling town. In the case of JasmyCoin, we might see it go sideways, getting ready for the next push to the upside. If we see JasmyCoin continue rallying in this bear market, the level where will be the line in the sand, where we have faced the heaviest resistance level for JasmyCoin since when it was launched, will be around the $0.0088 level. We saw JasmyCoin have multiple bounces off that level before we finally broke below that level in September. And since when we lost that level, we have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 68% of its value, and that has happened very, very quickly. Now, all coins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. We've seen JasmyCoin rally well in the bull market. We've seen JasmyCoin pump from that same $0.0087 level. We've seen JasmyCoin rally to as high as $0.32, which meant it went up more than 3,600% in 128 days. That means JasmyCoin went up 36x in that period of time. So this will be a very, very defining region for JasmyCoin in this relief rally if JasmyCoin will be able to go above the $0.0088 region. From where we're currently trading right now, for JasmyCoin to rally that high, we'll have to see JasmyCoin rally up an additional 105%. and that's very, very possible, and that can happen very, very quickly. But I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin get rejected off this level. This might be our accumulation range through the bear market. We might see JasmyCoin perambulating from the $0.0027 region to the $0.0088 region. That will mean JasmyCoin would have gone up a total of 200% for us to get there. Now, since when JasmyCoin started dumping to Goblin Town, even though we have seen a little rally, we have seen this pump that went up 331%. So I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin blast through that resistance level, even though that might be the line in the sand. We might see JasmyCoin just surprise a lot of us in the market and rally above that level, maybe even getting to as high as $0.027 before the end of the rally. But if this is going to happen to JasmyCoin, that will require us to pump an additional 555%. That will mean JasmyCoin in total would have gone up more than 800% in this relief rally. I'm not saying it's not possible, but knowing all coins to be very volatile, we might just catch one final dump to the downside, and that might be all she wrote for JasmyCoin. Will set new lows, and people will think it's over, then JasmyCoin will start pumping to the moon. Long-term investors are going to be profitable in the long haul, and that's why they're accumulating right now deep in the crypto bear market. And very importantly, guys, as you're accumulating some JasmyCoin in the bear market, you don't want to go all in. You want to dollar cost average through the bear market. All coins are very, very tricky. All coins are very, very volatile. If you had gone in at any point in time through this huge dump JasmyCoin had since November 2021, right now, you won't have any capital to go back in. But if you're dollar cost averaging as the market is dumping, when the market starts pumping to higher prices, you'll be happy you made all those difficult decisions. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're seeing it go sideways since March 2022. And that's to be expected with all coins in the bear market. We only see people getting risky when the market is very, very bullish, when all coins are pumping to the moon. And that's what happens in the bull market. A lot of people are willing to take huge, huge risks. That's why you see this altcoin pumping against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bull market. We're still going to see another bull market. That's just the way human beings work. We see bear markets. We see a lot of fear in the markets when we're in the bear market. And you see a lot of people flipping their altcoins for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. That's why in the bear market, you will see altcoins just like JasmyCoin dumping to Goblin Town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. When the market goes back to a bullish phase, when everybody's getting very greedy, we'll see those altcoins outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And JasmyCoin will be one altcoin to watch out for in the next bull run. Now, JasmyCoin's market cap, we have a lot of discussions on this chart. We saw the market cap get to as low as $16 million. And guys, out of the blue, we saw the market cap rally back up to almost $200 million. Now, why did that happen? Is because we saw more JasmyCoins coming to circulation. So that's possibly good. And at the same time, that might be a bad news for JasmyCoin holders. Right now, we have over 93% of all JasmyCoins in circulation, which is good news. We're not going to get any surprises. But also, JasmyCoin's market cap has shot up to around $196 million. So if we see JasmyCoin's market cap coming back to the lows right here, guys, that might be taking JasmyCoin back to Goblin Town. If JasmyCoin's market cap is going to come back to the $18 million region, that will require a 90% dump in the market cap of JasmyCoin. Guess what? If the price is dumping 90% from where we are right now, JasmyCoin still has one final huge dump to the downside, and that dump will take JasmyCoin to as low as the $0.0005 level. That's not music to our ears if you're holding JasmyCoin for the long haul. But if you're a long-term investor and you believe JasmyCoin will eventually set new all-time highs, that will be a good opportunity for you to accumulate more JasmyCoin. But there's always a possibility that JasmyCoin has bottomed and will continue pumping to higher prices, and we might see the market cap before the end of this relief rally attempts to go to as high as $500 million. From where we're currently trading right now, if JasmyCoin's market cap will rally that high, we'll see JasmyCoin's market cap pump an additional 160%. And that can happen very, very quickly, but you want to watch out for that dump to the downside. If that comes, you want to be accumulating as much as you can, because when the next bull run come around, a lot of people will be wishing they bought deep in the bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you accumulating more JasmyCoin right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you think the bottom is in for JasmyCoin? How high do you see us going in this relief rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.